Welcome everyone to another edition of Gain Finance. Today we're going to switch it up and talk about crypto for a bit. Specifically, I want to talk to you guys about Dogecoin and just how bad of an investment Dogecoin is. Dogecoin is garbage, it's junk, you should not own it. If you do own it, it should be for memes and laughs, not as an investment, not as a vehicle that you will put your wealth into that will grow over time. So let's go over the reasons why Dogecoin is one of the worst investments you can make today. Number one, lack of development. Compared to other cryptocurrencies, development of Dogecoin is very limited. They have very few updates to the code base in recent years, and development team has not been active as other cryptocurrencies. You don't really hear about Dogecoin getting L2s, layer 2 side chains. You don't really hear about them doing NFTs, you don't really hear about them doing pretty much anything. Dogecoin has been dead for a while, and it's just a meme at this point that should not be owned as an investment vehicle. You might buy it for fun, you might buy it to be cool like Elon Musk. Elon is a heavy investor in Dogecoin, but he probably got in a much lower price than you will. And to him, even if he has $50 to $100 million in Dogecoin, that's not a big deal for him. He will continue to hold and he will continue to enjoy the memes, get the laughs, and just be a relaxed, cool crypto guy. Second reason Dogecoin is really bad is lack of use case. Dogecoin was originally created as a joke, like I mentioned, and was not designed to serve any particular purpose. It has no purpose, people. Dogecoin serves zero utility. It has no purpose. As a result, it lacks a clear use case or a real value proposition, which may limit its long-term prospects. Why would developers come into the space? Why would they build a joke? It's just a joke. It's just a meme. Why would serious developers jump into this field and invest all their time, all their money, and their rewards can potentially just be zero? Third reason Dogecoin is junk is because it's very centralized. Dogecoin is centralized in terms of ownership, with very small amount of holders holding a large percentage of total supply. I believe like one person owns like 10 to 20% of the entire ecosystem. Concentration of ownership often leads to price manipulation and other problems. As we saw, Dogecoin was very erratic in price movements. It went from 1 cent to almost $1, which is astronomical growth for any assets. But just goes to show you it's not very sustainable price. Just because there's few people that can buy and sell and manipulate the price at a very extraordinary level. I'm talking tens of thousands of percent gains just from doing simple manipulations of transferring coins back and forth. Fourth reason Dogecoin is a very poor cryptocurrency, it's because of its very high market volatility, like we were talking about. Dogecoin is known for its high volatility, which can make it a risky investment for those looking for more stable and predictable results. Basically, you don't really know what you're gonna get with Dogecoin. Dogecoin might appreciate 10,000% tomorrow. It might be bankrupt by the end of the week. It might be zero. But you just don't know because there is no clear trajectory for this coin. There is no use for this coin. Transactions per second are less than 1 when you compare it to Ethereum or Matic, Polygon. We see these coins doing 20, 30, 40, 50 transactions per second. These coins are also developing zero knowledge rollups. This basically means that you can do transactions in big batches and then just record them on the blockchain. It basically eliminates transaction fees or minimizes them to a very low level and allows the blockchain to just do hundreds, if not thousands of transactions per second, whereas Dogecoin does less than a half of a transaction per second per day. Fifth reason I really dislike Dogecoin, it's because of its lack of security. Dogecoin uses proof of work consensus mechanism that's very dirty, it's very polluting, it consumes a lot of energy, it will most likely be outlawed in many countries across the world. But it can also make the cryptocurrency very volatile because of 51% attacks. Like we mentioned before, Dogecoin is very centralized. Maybe 10 people, even 20 might just own 51% of Dogecoin. They might get together and just agree to do a 51% attack, which basically means they rewrite the blockchain, they record transactions that have never happened, and they basically take everyone's money and just fly away. If you are looking for a cryptocurrency to invest in, that's marginally better, or at least has future potential, I would look into Polygon, Matic. I do own some of these coins. I purchased them way back ago. And the reason I really like Polygon, it's very scalable. It's based on Ethereum, which means it has really good security. It uses proof of stake. It doesn't use proof of work, which is very dirty, very polluting. And it has a really good developer community. If you see developments happening in the blockchain, you'll see very little going on with Dogecoin and a lot going on with Polygon. Developers are actually very diversified. I believe founders are from India and Serbia. And the ecosystem offers a wide range of tools and services for developers, whereas Dogecoin doesn't really have those things. Dogecoin is basically just a copy of Bitcoin. It's a cheap imitation. It was created as a joke, and it is a joke. It serves no purpose. Whereas Polygon offers a wide range of tools and services. It includes development frameworks, decentralized exchange. They work on scaling solutions for Ethereum, like I mentioned, ZK rollups, zero knowledge rollups. They will be huge in the future. So if you have a choice between Dogecoin and Matic, Polygon, I would go with Polygon just because it does have a community that is actually building worthwhile things. It has tremendous amount of NFTs. It has tremendous amount of utility, whereas Dogecoin, like we said, again, is just a joke. So that's it, guys. That's what I want to talk to you about. Do not invest into Dogecoin. This is not a financial advice, but I would personally not invest into Dogecoin. It is garbage, it is junk, and it's just a joke, and it will stay a joke. So that's pretty much it. If you have any questions or comments, if you think I'm wrong, please let me know below. Like, subscribe, and share. And as always, guys, have a great day.